Okay, this is a quick overview presentation of the AutoJet software, networking software by BestCode. This software is designed to link up multiple printers, control them from not only from the PC, but also pulling messages from the printer from a database or something like that. So now if we want to select a new message for printing on the printer, one of the things we're going to do is we're going to go into the list of printers, and this will update there, show which ones are online. We can now choose which printer we want to send the new message to. I've only got one connected, and I'm going to connect to that printer. And then once it's connected, and again, apologize for the slow laptop, but once it's connected, what we're going to do is we're going to go into new, and we're going to open up the message that we want to print, and we're going to go into our PC here where messages are stored, and this one you may have thousands of messages in here. We're going to choose which one we want us to send, so I'm going to choose test message 1. I'm going to open that message. That opens it up here. We can make any changes we want to make to it. Move this a little further over, for example, and then we can just send message to the printer, and after a bit it will come up with a message saying that it's sent successfully. There you go, message sent successfully. So now we can go have a look at the printer and see what we can do from that end. So from this end, it's pretty simple. We obviously have a network. We're using a Wi-Fi here that's basically plugged into your Ethernet port there. So you'd have a cable, direct cable. That actually speeds up communications a lot when you get a wire directly in there from the router. From the printer side of things, all we do is we go into the setup, and we're going to go into the network. And when we're in the network settings, you can see we have the IP address here, subnet mask, all of the different things about the configuration. So once we've set everything up on the network and we've scanned it on the actual software, we are up and ready to run. So from the home screen, now we can see we have that message. If I go into the messages, you can see I've got test 1, test 2, test 3, which are all the messages that I sent down, and you can see I can scroll through each one of those and see a preview of the message in the window there. There you go. So that's a single line, that's a 2-line, and I think this was a 2-line too. Now we can just go ahead and select those for printing, or we can select it from the laptop. That's pretty much it.